So as a follow-up to the Netgear port mirroring exercise, somebody had a great question. They said they noticed that the Netgear management application had an option for cable testing, and they're wondering how that fared. So here we are. I've got myself a messed up cable. I plugged it into my Fluke OptiView analyzer, and it's confirming that, yeah, it's messed up all right. So what we're going to do now is connect it to the Netgear Switch and see what the management application says for that port when I run a cable test. So I'm just going to pause this for a moment and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Let's go to the switch, select switch port 3, which I'll tell you exactly what that is in just one moment while I start the test. So port 3 is just a regular everyday Ethernet patch cable. There's nothing wrong with it. I just do not have it connected at the other end. And then port number 5 is the messed up cable, which I physically connected to my laptop just on the other desk here. So you can see, oh, look at this. It says port 3 is open, 4 meters, and port 5 is crosstalk, 3 meters. So I'm wondering what would happen if I just ran the test again, see what happens, and see if it still says crosstalk and open, because I find some of these port tests, even if you don't change anything, it changes the results, and I'm kind of curious. So you can see port 3, it's kind of gray, but it'll be visible in a moment. It's port 3 is still an open cable at 4, and 5 is still crosstalk at 3 meters, which again is kind of odd because there's no real, well, I guess depending on the problem it may be interpreted as crosstalk. But what I'm doing right now is I've just disconnected port 5 from my laptop, and now I'm running it open-ended through that messed up cable. So let's see what port 5 does for us now. And now it says it's open. So it doesn't say there's anything wrong with the cable per se, but it says that it's open. So last test, I've taken the messed up cable and plugged it in into port 4 from port 5, effectively causing a loop, but I'm more interested in what the cable test does. So again, port 5 and 4 is the same cable, just different, obviously different ends of it, and interesting. It says no cable for 4, and let's see if 5 comes up again, and crosstalk. Alright, so it doesn't really say anything about the pairs being reversed or shorted. It just says no cable and crosstalk. So I guess this is one of those things where you would have to play with various scenarios first to interpret what the Netgear switch was telling you. But the open cable was really neat. This seems to work very well, but if you have messed up pairs, it doesn't seem to be as obvious. So hope that helps. Enjoy. Have a good day. Bye for now.